Hello everyone, I am alone and today I am going to buy a coffee. I live in Pattaya and I will show you one of the best places to buy coffee. Now I stay on Pattaya Thai Road between 2nd and 3rd Road and I am heading to the Friendship store. There are a lot of kind of coffee. You can choose the perfect for you. Here, healthy staff will grind coffee to your taste. I ask for the finest green number 1 for brewing in a cup. Good appetite. I recommend. Thanks for watching. I hope this information will be useful for you. Like my video if it was interesting. Subscribe to my channel. We live in Thailand, we speak Thai. There will be many more interesting things about Thailand. Bye, guys.
Сама себя не вижу, не веду.